There's nothing more satisfying than an unboxing. To see what you ordered is actually what you received. I love, love, love LV bags. I do have some authentic, and then I have some replicas, and I love both of them. But I was not going to spend $3,000 for this bag, so I went to my beautiful Shycc and I ordered this bag. When I tell you, she was under $200 and so worth the price. The quality is amazing. This is not my first time that I've ordered from Shycc, so I made sure that I left her information up for you all so that you can see. You see how much this bag is? Who was paying that? No. We went on over to Shycc so that she could get me the bag. This is her Instagram account and her WhatsApp. She is so fast, so quick. I think it takes usually it takes me about a week to get the bag. She shows you what you have. Make sure that you are loving what it is before you get it, so you already know, and then you just have it in hand. This bag is absolutely amazing. The quality is also there. There's a chain, there's a long strap. You can wear it as a clutch, a handbag, a crossbody. It is perfect for any occasion, and you get to save some coins to put in the bag. So if you are loving this bag, you see the information, and I will try to have her link below. Ask me any questions that you have. Make sure you're following me under all social platforms, Naturally Shycc. Shycc is spelled Shycc, and that's simply how you construct classy, but we do it naturally. Until the next video, you all take care. Be blessed.
I just enjoy